Anker power banks are reliable devices, but sometimes they need a reset to function properly. Understanding when and why to reset your power bank can save you time and frustration. Several common issues indicate your Anker power bank may need a reset. These include the power bank failing to charge your devices, not responding to button presses, shutting off automatically, or LED indicators malfunctioning. Before attempting any reset, it's crucial to check if your Anker power bank is subject to a safety recall. As of July 2025, models A1642, A1647, A1652, A1681, and A1689 have been recalled due to potential fire hazards from overheating batteries. A reset is most effective when your power bank has been inactive for extended periods, typically 3 months or more, or when you're experiencing software-related glitches that cause unresponsive behavior. There are three main methods to reset your Anker power bank. The USB loop method, where you connect the input port to an output port, the reset button method, using a small pinhole button, and the power button method, where you hold the main power button. The specific method depends on your power bank model. Understanding these common issues and safety considerations helps you determine when a reset is necessary. In the next section, we'll walk through the detailed steps for each reset method. First, turn off your Anker power bank. If your model has a power button, press and hold it until the device turns off. If there's no power button, simply disconnect it from any charging source. Next, disconnect all cables and devices from your power bank. This includes any charging cables, devices being charged, or input cables. Make sure all ports are completely free. For the USB loop method, take a USB cable and connect the micro input port to any USB output port on your power bank. Keep this connection for about 15 seconds. Watch for the LED lights to flash and then stop flashing, indicating a successful reset. Alternatively, if your power bank has a reset button, look for a small pinhole on the device. Use a pin or paper clip to press and hold this button for a few seconds. This will perform a hardware reset. After attempting either reset method, turn your power bank back on. Allow it to fully charge before using it again. This ensures the battery management system is properly calibrated. If your power bank still isn't working properly, check your USB cables and ports for damage or debris. Clean the ports with compressed air if necessary. Ensure you're using a compatible charger, such as a power delivery charger if required by your model. If problems persist after trying these steps, contact Anker customer support for further assistance. They can help determine if your power bank needs repair or replacement.